Hi, I'm Dr. Lee Thompson. I'm a professor at the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern University. Who do I teach? MBA students, executive MBA students, international executives and managers, and you. You know, the other day I was teaching a class, and after the class, a 20-something-year-old young woman, let's call her Amy, approached me. Amy said, "Look, I'm really distraught because I haven't figured out my career path yet." Now keep in mind, we're talking about a 20-something-year-old. Amy says, "Look, I'm surrounded by people, my friends, who've known what they've wanted to do with their lives ever since they were 12 years old." I asked Amy, "Well, what do they want to do?" Amy said, investment banker, consultant, journalist. All of Amy's friends are on a straight path, headed toward their perfect career destiny. So I asked Amy, "What are you doing?" Amy said, "Well, I'm taking a bunch of different classes in different departments and different colleges because I haven't figured out my major. I'm doing study abroad in a country I've never been to before. I'm volunteering. I'm working a part-time job, and I'm involved with 4 clubs just to try to figure out what excites me." It's clear that Amy is on a zigzag path. And I told Amy, that is a gift. Why? By taking a zigzag path through your life, you're going to develop a unique set of skills. You're going to have a unique set of experiences that nobody else has. You're going to be able to bring those unique experiences and learnings that will give you insight and give you innovative ideas for your ultimate career. Look, I talk to a lot of corporate recruiters. They don't want the marketing person who's just taken the marketing path. They don't want to hire the finance person who's just followed the finance path. Amy's zigzag path is forcing her to experiment, reflect, struggle, learn, stop, pivot, restart, and navigate unknown terrain. These are all the skills that are required to be successful in your career. Why did I tell you this story? The most successful business people that I've encountered in my life through all of my teaching and research have not been on a straight path. All of them have been on a zigzag path. And along that path, they learned the big 3 people skills. What are those? Leadership, teamwork, conflict management, and negotiation. So in my course, I've taken these big 3 people skills that are necessary in any job, and I've put them into 3 courses that you can take. The leadership course focuses on how you can build your emotional, organizational, and cultural intelligence. Leading and managing teams focuses on how to build, manage, and lead high-performance teams. Can't do anything alone. Amy's experiences in all these different clubs and classes and organizations and volunteering has put her into contact with a lot of different personalities. She's learned how to develop a repertoire in order to navigate those situations. Win-win negotiation and conflict management. This course will teach you how to sit comfortably at the negotiation table and negotiate with people inside and outside your own company that you disagree with. We all need to figure out how to negotiate in long-term relationships where the money is important, but the relationships are probably even more important. So, let me tell you a little bit about my teaching philosophy. Please don't be passive when you take this course. Put one new skill into action every day. Show up, choose to be present and engaged. Time is of the essence. There is a huge decay factor when you and I are reading information or just passively watching a video. This information will start to disappear from our long-term memory. So what to do? Implement at least one new best practice every week. Get feedback. Figure out whether it worked or whether it didn't work. And by the way, if it didn't work, blame me. I'm the one who challenged you to do it. The other thing is to teach somebody else. Let me tell you a story. The most successful student in my class was the student who took all the learning from the class, put it into his own words, and then presented that to keep people in his own company. He saw himself as a missionary. He was determined to bring the best practices that he'd learned back to everybody, gave them all a new language to think about their common problems. These 3 interlocked courses, leadership, teamwork, negotiation, and conflict management, will equip you with these essential people skills so that you can successfully navigate any career situation. Please sign up today. I am really looking forward to being part of your success, and I can't wait to see where your zigzag path takes you. Thank you.